which is the very good category 1. You will see on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities and images, etc. Category 2. Category 3. Category 5. Category 6. Category 8. Category 9. We discuss the amenities of this hotel. As you can see on the screen, each property and type of room is available on Agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. Tuition of the hotel is outstanding and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. This hotel is 3 p.m. and check-out time of this hotel is 10 a.m. Details and offers available online for this hotel along with different room plans and payment policy. You are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you need details about this hotel, please below the link in the description. If you have visited this hotel, please send your experiences via comments. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss